Alright, I'm back and I have a new video. It's been a while since I recorded anything. It's actually been 2 years since I recorded the screen record iPhone X video. And I kind of regret not continuing my recording journey of small short clips of tutorials and how to do things. But the last video I did was a screen record for iPhone X, and I still have that iPhone X, although there are a few cracks now, so definitely earned my stripes. But yeah, hopefully I'll start posting more videos. I just got the iPhone 12, so that's super exciting, and it's a long time coming to get a new phone. Probably gonna make a video of every single thing that phone has to offer. We'll see. My approach now is trying to just learn every single feature, forcing myself to learn every single feature of all my toys and electronics. And the best way to do that, I think, is to teach somebody how to do things. So, learning tips is back. But anyways, for the sake of this video, the first thing we'll be talking about is this card reader. And I just got this thing from Amazon for only $12.99, which is pretty inexpensive, and it's really straightforward. Obviously made in China, so that's pretty standard, you know, because everything's made in China. Let's pop this thing open. Looks like it's pretty straightforward with this, and then I did just open it earlier. So it comes with this, sorry, I just got a notification. It comes with this little pamphlet on how to use it. I mean, I'll pretty much speed you right through it. All you do is take your device, get that out of here. Let me clear these notifications out. You take your device and go down to search, and you go to files, F-I-L-E-S. Obviously you know how to spell, I hope. And you're gonna go to browse. You're gonna have this whole list right here. And what you wanna do is take this little plugger, plug it right in. And you'll see a blue light flash. This is for your SD card, and you've got a micro. You also have a charging point in order to charge your phone. Oh my goodness, stop notifying. In order to charge your phone while you're transferring photos, so that's pretty handy. Getting a lot of notifications today. So all we're gonna do is plug this in. Looks like the little bit corner is on the right side. So let's just slide that. I lied. The corner's on the left side. Let's slide that in, and then we're going to see some flashing lights. It's flashing blue. It is now pre-populated right here under Canon DC, and we're gonna go ahead and go to DCIM folder. These folders are all categorized based on my camera I took this with by date. We're just going to this first one here, and we're gonna click on this photo. So here is a photo I took on my camera of the road. I do not know why I took a picture of the road, but here it is. You can click on the bottom left corner to save it, save image, and obviously I did this earlier, but we'll go to photos, click on that, and you'll see the photo here. Now, if you want to go into this, there's other features as well, like you can scroll through the list of images in that folder. You can always, oh, my phone's, that's why I'm getting a new phone. You can scroll through each one. So super easy to use, and you can do so many things with it. You can send it directly to your friends as a message. You can airdrop it to somebody if they're nearby. I mean, you can do a ton of things. So really, if you have a nice camera or any camera and you have a cell phone, that's all you really need. You don't really need a computer to transfer your photos anymore. Also, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching this video. Obviously, I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers, and I'm at 497 right now. And when we get to 1,000, then we can start monetizing, and that's the goal, I think. So let's see what happens. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you buy this. There will be a link in the description, and it's going to be the exact same price as Amazon has it. It's from Amazon, but if you click on the link and you purchase it, then I get a little commission from Amazon, so that's kind of cool. You'll be paying the same exact amount, so it really doesn't matter. Just click on the link, check it out, or don't. Either way, it's up to you. Kind of don't like how this thing, I mean, I guess it'd be aesthetically pleasing if it was like this with this logo up, but it defaults. I mean, I guess I could technically just go like that. Oh my god, I'm a dummy. Yeah, I'm a dummy. I wish those were on this side though, that'd be kind of cool. Why didn't they just print it on both sides? Maybe just to cut costs. Either way, thanks for watching. Leave a comment below. Let me know what kind of camera you have or what kind of phone you have. Now, let's just stick with what kind of camera do you have? Comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching, and hit the like button if you're bored. Goodbye.